Alright, as you can see, this faucet here is coming really crooked out the wall. So that's going to be a major problem getting the surround on. Also, it's kicking out the spout or the diverter out of the wall. And it's also leaning to the right. As you can see that. It's not straight at all. So it has to be adjusted. And this wood here, this backing here is kind of slanting to try to meet the wood here. So I guess that part is understandable, but how the water's done for the plumbing may be an issue. Some things he could have done to avoid coming behind here. So that's gonna have to be straightened out before we can get the surround on. But the tub is ready to go. Let's take a look. May have to do that one first because upon getting the bottom in or getting the actual tub in, we notice when we pulled it out the box, getting ready to put it in, that there's a crack in the tub. So we have to notify who ordered it and see if we can't get a replacement, which is a bummer because these were the only two left-hand tubs that we were able to get out of here. And we actually been waiting on those for like 3 or 4 days now. But that's just a real bummer. I was hoping to get those done today. As you can see, this one is already in. Wanted to jump to that one and get that one done also. The water heater's still draining. Yeah, we're still draining. It's draining really slow too. Yeah. So it's draining pretty slowly. But sometimes the older a water heater is, the more it does that. Or, you know, it tends to get clogged up with a lot of debris and sediment in the bottom. So you can't, it won't drain properly. Okay, has the water disconnected. It's getting air. So that's ready to come out soon. Then I can do the one next door also. But we're going. It's just one little hiccup that kind of altered what's going on at the moment. Take a look at this down here. We got this in just a little while ago. So that one looks good. Yeah, it's ready to go. Alright, so that's just a little pause to show what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and get it back going. So, in the meantime, until next time, AAC out. Shalom.